what kind of vegetable a kidney failure patient can eat. Vegetable who can control amount of potassium. We have to control the level of potassium. To select low potassium vegetable, keep very simple rule in mind. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Puru Dhawan, and today in this video I will tell you what kind of vegetable a kidney failure patient can eat. Because with the help of right kind of diet, we can control lots of things in a kidney failure patient. And with the right vegetable, we can control amount of potassium in our blood. Because potassium is a thing which is very dangerous for a kidney failure patient. When the potassium is a right amount in the body, it gives power to our muscles. But when the level of potassium raises above the normal level, it can cause heart attack anytime. So we have to control the level of potassium in a kidney failure patient with the help of diet, and in that vegetable can be helpful. So in a case of vegetable, we have to select those vegetables which are low in potassium. And to select low potassium vegetable, keep very simple rule in mind. Always avoid rooty vegetable and leafy vegetable. Rooty vegetable which are grown below the surface of earth like potato, sweet potato, turnip has to be avoided completely because they contain potassium in high amount. But there are exceptions also, like your carrot, onion and radish. These three vegetables are rooty but can be taken by a kidney failure patient. Leafy vegetable like spinach, coriander, mustard, mint, parsley, cabbage, all these vegetables are leafy and they contain potassium in high amount. Therefore, we have to avoid all these vegetables to keep level of potassium in normal range. Now let's move to those vegetables which can be taken by a kidney failure patient. Any vegetable which is grown as a fruit on a plant or a creeper can be taken, like brinjal, tomatoes, okra, your bitter gourd, round gourd, snake gourd, any kind of vegetable which is grown as a fruit can be taken. So whenever you go to the market for purchase of vegetable, always keep this simple rule in mind. Always think how this vegetable has been grown. If the vegetable is rooty, avoid that vegetable. If the vegetable is leafy, avoid that vegetable. If the vegetable is grown as a fruit, you can take that vegetable. It's a very simple rule which can helpful for our kidney failure patient to select low potassium vegetable for their diet. If the patient of kidney failure take care of these simple rules, what happens? This kind of simple selection of low potassium vegetable helps a patient of kidney failure to control the level of potassium in the body. If the level of potassium is in control, we can control lots of complications which can be raised in a patient of kidney failure just because of high level of potassium. I hope with the help of this video, you know the importance of potassium in a kidney failure patient and you know the selection of low potassium vegetable for a kidney patient diet. If you have any kind of question, inquiry regarding kidney failure, you can simply call our doctor on the number given below. You can also book an appointment with me on the same number. With this, allow me to say goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.